Bubbles are more than just playful decorations. They are fascinating science in action. Have you ever noticed how bubbles float gracefully in the air? This happens because they are filled with a gas, usually air, which is lighter than the surrounding air. The bubble's thin film is made of soap and water, creating a surface tension that holds the gas inside, like a balloon. The surface tension is crucial. It allows the bubble to maintain its shape while floating. But why do they pop? As bubbles rise, they encounter various factors, such as pressure changes and obstacles. When the bubble comes into contact with a sharp object or a rough surface, the delicate soap film can break. The interior gas rushes out, leading to the satisfying pop we all know. Additionally, evaporation can weaken the soap film, making it more prone to popping. The lifespan of a bubble is influenced by its size and the humidity in the air. Larger bubbles tend to last longer due to their thicker film. So next time you see bubbles floating, remember the science behind their magical dance and the reasons they pop. Enjoy this playful marvel of physics.